Hello everyone and welcome to our latest video. My name is Stephanie and today we talk about the topic of connectivity at Wilo. With Wilo-Smart Connect you have access to the operating data of your pump in real time, enabling you to view, monitor and even control your pumps. Do you want to be smartly connected? Then all you need are 5 things and we will take a closer look at them now. I hope you enjoy it. Next to me in our studio is Niels, and Niels is a product manager for digital products. Hello, Niels.
Hello, Stephanie.
Niels, when a customer reads about connectivity at Wilo, what's behind it?
Connectivity at Wilo means that our products are getting smarter. They're equipped with more and more interfaces to connect the building automation, but even to connect to each other to have additional functions. And today we're talking about the possibilities of our products to connect to the customer. And this is what we name Wilo-Smart Connect.
Before we discuss how Wilo-Smart Connect supports you in your daily work, I would like to know from Niels, what are 3 typical challenges of, for example, an operator of a hospital?
First, there's the commissioning. Second, to observe the operation. And third, maintenance.
You mentioned commissioning first. Can you go into a little more detail here?
In the commissioning, we need to check the installation. If everything was installed right, then we need to make a proper setup of the product to configure it. And there we have sometimes a problem that it is not good to reach. We need a ladder when it is higher, or we need to come into a close corner to see the display and to operate the knobs. And at the end, we need to make a proper documentation of the installed state.
And what is the challenge during operation?
During operation, I need to be at the place of installation to observe it. So even if I'm in front of the display, I only see what is currently going on, and what I'm lacking is normally information of the past in the operation. And if I need to replace a product, then I normally have not access to the documentation and I don't know how to set up the new product, what is reinstalled there.
At last point, you mentioned maintenance, and what is the challenge here?
In the maintenance phase, it's quite similar. I normally have to less information to know what was the stresses during the operation, so that I can make a targeted maintenance and to replace the right spare parts.
And how does Smart Connect help our customers to solve these challenges?
First of all, Smart Connect is a very comfortable remote control in your hand as your mobile to reach any product which is maybe not good accessible in the installation. Then Smart Connect creates automatically documentation of the installed state that you can access very easily every time after that anymore.
And during the operation?
During the operation, Smart Connect offers you possibility of far remote. You don't need to be on site anymore to observe what is going on. And with this far remote, you get access to anything, even to error states. And if something is happening in the operation, then you can directly go there and, for example, exchange a product. And in this case, the huge advantage is that you can access the documentation that a replaced product is very easily set up in the same way like the original product was in the first place installed there. And what I forgot is that in the operation, you can access now, finally, historical data, how the product was running in the past. You not see only the current state, what is going on in this moment when you look, but you can even look into the past, what was a week, a month ago, or even a year ago, what was happening there.
I think this is a great advantage for our customers.
It's a great advantage, and especially it's a great advantage when we come to the point of maintenance, because then you know what was happening with the product. If there was some stresses in the operation, where you have then a hint where to look a bit closer in the maintenance phase, what might be exchanged, what is maybe need a spare part there or something like that. And when we're looking into the data of a pump which is delivered now and can be seen in the past, in the history of the product, then it gives much more information than only for the pump, even about the system around the product.
Mm-hmm. Do I understand you right? with Wilo-Smart Connect, our products turn from a normal pump into a smart digital partner?
That's correct.
Coming to the products now, and let's start with the Wilo-Stratos Maxo and take a closer look at this amazing solution. What does connectivity mean here?
Stratos Maxo was our first product which has already integrated all necessary interfaces for Wilo-Smart Connect.
And how can I adjust the pump and read out data? Can you explain this in more detail?
All what you need is a mobile with Bluetooth, because Bluetooth is already integrated in the pump. You need our Wilo Assistant app with the Wilo-Smart Connect function. You start the Wilo-Smart Connect function and then can simply connect via Bluetooth to the pump. When you do this, the pump is showing a 4-digit PIN, which you have to enter into the app. And then you are already connected to the pump.
Very easy.
Yes, that's very easy.
Now we know how to adjust the pumps via Bluetooth, but what do I do if I'm not on site?
Then you do it over the internet. For that, we need this gateway. The gateway collects the data via wired connection from the pump. On the other side, the internet is connected, and there we can connect with the app.
So the Smart Gateway offers our customers full transparency from anywhere.
That's right.
And what does the gateway do?
The gateway can connect to 20 of our products via cable. On the other side, it's connected to the internet. And because of regular software updates, it's securing against attacks from the internet side. So our pumps are secure on the other side. And it has a crypted connection to our data center so that the data are transferred absolutely secured.
Aha, that means the gateway is our firewall between the internet and our products?
That's correct, yes.
And where's the data stored?
The data is stored in our Wilo-Smart Cloud. The Wilo-Smart Cloud collects all the data which is coming from the products in the field over the gateways and is transferring this data to the apps and the other way around. If you want to remote control with the app the products in the field, then the app is connecting to the cloud and the cloud is giving this data over the gateway to the pumps.
Niels, we have spoken a lot now about integrated connectivity, but what if I have a pump other than the Stratos Maxo already installed? Can I also connect this Wilo pump?
Yeah, that's possible. For this, we have developed the Smart IF module, which is offering the same interfaces like already integrated in Stratos Maxo. So with the Smart IF module, you have Bluetooth on board and can connect to the Smart Gateway.
That means with the IF module, I first make the pump again Bluetooth capable, and then with the Smart Gateway, I connect it to the remote access. Is that right?
Yeah. That's right, yes.
A very exciting topic. Will the Stratos Maxo be the only pump with an integrated connectivity, or can you give us an idea of what will happen soon?
Of course, we have in mind to integrate these interfaces in all new developments as well.
Niels, what does our competitor offer with regards to connectivity?
Yeah, first to mention Grundfos. Grundfos has the local remote control with the app, quite similar like we, but they need additional hardware dongle to the smartphone to have the wireless connection. And then if you want to do far remote, it's a totally separated system. You need to install in every pump hardware which is connecting to the internet then. It's quite expensive, quite complicated to connect, and Grundfos then wants to have a fee even on yearly base for connecting to their cloud solutions. And on the other hand, you need totally different software then to connect to these pumps, not the same app, but a PC-based software there.
That sounds really complex.
Yeah, it's complex and expensive.
Is there another competitor as well to be mentioned?
DAB should be mentioned. They have a similar approach like we. They have a gateway, but they have not a standardized interface to the pumps like we have here with only one interface. They have several, so the installation can be quite complex with different wires, different interfaces. And as far as I know, they can only observe the products with their app, not control them in the field over this connection.
Less features than we offer to our customers.
Yes.
If our colleagues have any questions, whom can they contact?
The colleagues should get into touch with their business support in their region.
Let me sum it up. With Wilo-Smart Connect, you have access to the operating data of your pump in real time, enabling you to view, monitor, and even control your pumps. And the 5 things that you need are smart Wilo products, your smartphone, the Wilo Assistant app, and for remote access, an internet connection and the Smart Gateway. Niels, thank you very much that you took your time today and explained this topic to us so vividly.
It was my pleasure.
If you want more information, visit us on our website, and if you liked the video, follow us on our social media channels. Goodbye and see you soon.